Hi students, hope you all are doing good. I'm Jebaranjani, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at VSB College of Engineering Technical Campus. Currently, I'm handling the subject network security. So today we are going to see the basic topics of network security, what is network security and its definition, and then basics of cryptography, what is meant by cryptography and its terminologies which we are using in cryptography, and then a model for network security. And finally, we are going to see what is meant by security attacks and what are all the few attacks that is happening in the network. Right. So first of all, we have to know what is meant by network security. So this subject explains like the network security explains how to protect computers, networks and the data from hackers and the attackers. So let us consider in our daily life we use mobile phones, right? So in the mobile phones we are using network, internet banking, WhatsApps, emails. So all these apps and all these things need a security. So this network security is nothing but a practice of protecting the networks and data from unauthorized access, misuse and modifications and attacks, right? So why we are going for network security? So the first one is there is an increase in cyber attacks. Nowadays hackers are everywhere, right? So it is very important to secure our network. And the second thing is protection of sensitive data. So day to day life we are using sensitive data, like our bank details are a kind of sensitive data, Aadhaar card number and the OTPs, passwords which we are using for the emails, and what are all the accounts we are having in the network, right? So everything is very sensitive and we need security for those sensitive data. And the third one is secure communication over the network, like so I'm conducting the online classes, right? And then the emails which we are sending, confidential email, and then the WhatsApp chats or whatever it may be. So everything should go through a secure communication. So for that we need a security. And the last one is business continuity and trust. So let us consider if a customer data is leaked, company will lose its trust, right? For example, if Amazon website is hacked by the hacker and the customer will be affected, like their data are leaked, then the customer will stop shopping and they will lose trust on that particular website, right? So for that we need a network security. And the next we are going to see is goals of network security. The main goals of network security are these things, that three: C, I, and then A. C, which stands for confidentiality, and I, which stands for integrity, and A, which stands for availability. So this CIA triad, which combinedly provide the data and services without any security issues, it provides a network security. And individually we will see what is meant by confidentiality. Confidentiality is nothing but it prevents unauthorized access to the data. That means it will provide access to only an authorized users. So it is achieved using encryption, access control, and then authentication. So the next one is integrity. Integrity is very simple, that the data should not be altered, which means the data should not be changed at any cost. So whatever it may be, it should be there. It should not be changed at any cost, and it maintains accuracy and consistency of the data. This integrity is achieved by hash function, checksums, and then digital signatures. The next one is availability. So availability is nothing but it ensures resources are accessible when required. That means data and services should be available when needed at all the time. Even if there is service disruption or downtime, it should ensure that the data is available at all the time. It is achieved using backup systems, redundancy, and DOS protection. So here let us consider a real-time example of ticket reservation system or railway reservation systems. So in railway reservation system, the confidentiality and integrity and availability means, for example, in confidentiality, confidentiality, passengers details are encrypted, right? If I'm having an account, my account details should be encrypted, so that ensures the confidentiality. No unauthorized person will enter into my account, and he may not access my details, so that ensures confidentiality. And this second one is integrity. During the ticket reservation, and the ticket details cannot be changed, right? For example, I'm booking a ticket to go to Chennai, then those details will not be changed at any cost after booking my ticket. And the third one is availability. Like millions of users are accessing the railway booking systems, right? If the server is down, then the website doesn't open, so availability is affected. So it should not be happened, and the service should be available at all the time. So this is one of the best real-time example for the CIA triad. So the next topic we are going to see about basics of cryptography. First of all, we should know what is meant by cryptography. Cryptography is a science of securing information by transforming it into an unreadable format. In simple, we can say that we are hiding the information so that others cannot read it, especially an hacker. In simple, we can say we are converting the readable message into an unreadable form. For example, if I'm sending a message, a hi message to my friend, that hi message should not be sent as it is to my friend. It should be sent as an unreadable format. It should be converted into any unreadable format. It should be a combination of any alphanumeric characters and any numbers and alphabets. So that the hackers or attackers cannot able to attack my message. So this cryptography provides confidentiality. The confidentiality which we have seen already, it means it protects the data from unauthorized access, and then it provides integrity. It ensures data that is not altered or changed. And then the third thing it provides is authentication. It verifies the identity of the user, whether the correct it confirms who should access the data. And then the last one is non-repudiation. So sender cannot deny sending data. When you send an email, you should not say later that I didn't send that mail. So this is non-repudiation, and the basic cryptography is used to protect data during the transmission and storage. And the next we are going to see about cryptography technology. So the various technology which we are using in cryptographies are plain text, ciphertext, encryption, decryption, and then key and algorithm. So this plain text is nothing but the original message which we are sending. For example, I'm sending a message hello to my friend. This hello is a plain text. This hello is a plain text. And the ciphertext is nothing but an encryptable unreadable message. So this hello is encrypted as this combination of unreadable message. It may be a combination of alphanumeric characters and symbols. So this is called cipher text. And the third one is encryption. Encryption is nothing but the converting this plain text to a cipher text is called encryption. And the decryption is reverse of encryption, that converting this cipher text to a plain text. So next one is key. So key is a secret value used in encryption and decryption. For example, key now in normal day-to-day life, we are using key to lock and unlock, right? So the same concept is applied here. For locking my original message, I'm using a key, and for unlocking my original encrypted messages, I'm again using a key. For locking and unlocking, we are using this secret value, that is key. And the next one is algorithm. It is a set of rules or mathematical procedure for doing encryption and decryption. So this is the basic model of cryptography. Just look at the diagram, how it is processing. First, we are taking a plain text. That is what I'm said. I am sending a message, hello, right, or hi. That is called plain text. And the next, I'm just doing encryption on my plain text. What does mean by encryption? Encryption is nothing but converting this plain text to an unreadable form, that is cipher text. So I'm converting those plain text to a ciphertext, that is encryption. Again, I want to send the message to my friend, right? So what I have to do, again, from the sender side, from the receiver side, like from the friend side, he will decrypt the message. Decryption is nothing but what, converting the ciphertext into a original plain text, and this plain text was readable by my friend. So this encryption and decryption was handled by using the key. Using the key only, I'm going to lock my plain text and unlock my cipher text. That was the process. The first process is plain text plus key, which give using the encryption algorithm, we are converting into ciphertext, right? And then ciphertext plus key, that is secret value. Using the decryption algorithm, I'm converting again to the plain text. Means what I'm sending here, I'm sending hi, right? So it was received by my friend as hi, but the attacker who is in the network can't able to read my message. That was the concept of cryptography. So the next one is model of network security. This model just describes how the security services are applied to protect the data during the communication over the network. And the main components which we are using in network security are sender or receiver, and then message is nothing but a data, and then security transformation, secret key as I told earlier, and then trusted third party. This is an optional one. This is the model of network security, and this is the simple architecture of network security. Just look at the diagram. Here there is sender, as I said, sender and recipient will be there. Sender is going to send a message where recipient is going to receive a message, right? So in between, what are all the terminologies and technologies we are using, just going to discuss. Like here, just look at the message. For example, from, as I already said, I'm just going to send hi message. Here the secret information is applied on the original plain text, that is original message. Here the secret information is nothing but the encryption. The encryption is going to apply. I'm going to apply encryption using a secret key, and after applying the secret information, the security related transformation will happen. That means this message plain text is converted into a secure message of ciphertext, right? So which is going to happen, and after converting it into a ciphertext, that is secured message, it is going through this information channel, which is not secure. So it is not secure. Even if there is an opponent or a hacker or attacker who is in the network, he can't able to read this secured message, because we are protecting it with the secret information, that is we are protecting it with the key, right? So after like traveling through the information channel, again this secure message is converted into a normal message by using this security related transformation using the secret information, that is decryption algorithm as well as the key, and the original message will be received to the recipient. This is the basic model and basic security model of network security. And here this third party is optional one, where this trusted third party will hold the keys, and it will distribute the keys from senders to the receiver. And that's all about the architecture of the network security. And this is the working functions. Like first step is so the first step is the sender is applies security transformation, that is encryption to the message, and the second thing is encrypted message was transmitted over the insecure network, and the third step is reverse transformation, that is opposite to encryption, that is decryption. And finally the original message was recovered securely by the receiver. So this is the data flow diagram of the model of network security. That's under encryption applied using the key, then it is converted to ciphertext. Over the network it travels, over the insecure network it travels, and the decryption is applied using a key, and finally the receiver will receive the original message. So that's all about uh, the model for network security. And the next one is the security attacks. We will see in the next class. Thank you.